Check out this episode. This is us transporting a whole lot of hives, good 2 to 3 hours away from here, and setting them up in a nature reserve in the wilderness. We're moving a whole lot of hives to a place in Groblersdal, which is about 2.5 hours away from here. So this is the first time that we, as Bee Sanctuary, are actually moving hives a long distance. We've already just strapped the hives up nicely, and we're going to close the entrances with some steel wool. We're going to pop them into this trailer here. They'll fit nicely. We've worked it out. Another one. Woo! That is my jump for the day. Camera angle. Yeah, we'll show it now. 6 colonies of bees packed, ready to go. I think the next time we'll see you, a couple of hours. Yeah. Okay, so we're out here in Groblersdal. We dropped these 6 hives off that we're just going to take a quick look at last night. We're thinking of supering these, probably using queen excluders as well, because we can't come out here too often. This is a kind of a nature reserve that we've got them on, eco-friendly nature reserve. We're not going to be able to do as regular hive maintenance on these hives as we would normally do. So we're popping the queen excluder on. All 6 of these are relatively strong swarms. There's just one which is probably on 6 frames right now. The rest of them should be on 8 frames anyway, so they're probably ready for us to super them. Okay, so this is the last of the 6 hives. This one here is quite a big colony. This one is not that big, but we'll have a look and see what we can do. We might actually even move some brood from that one across into this one. Idea. Just to boost this one a little bit, as I can see here looking at this one, they're not too strong. So all around this pond our bees are foraging up in the bush there, and then they stop here and they have a drink of water, replenish their thirst. You can see them here, there's bunches of them buzzing around. Little landing strip for them to come in on, and then they go to the edge of the water and they just suck